Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. This is Monica Nigam. So, today the makeup look I created is done with very affordable products. All the products I have used in this video is from drugstore products, and the eye makeup which I have created today takes only 5 minutes. So, let's not delay any further. Let's get started. First, I have cleaned my face. After that, I am using rose water from Love Earth. Next, I am using hyaluronic acid serum from Love Earth. I am taking only two pumps and apply with the help of brush. Now I am using under eye cream from Cosrx and I massage under my eyes very gently with the light hands. For moisturizer, I am using Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I will apply this moisturizer using a brush on my face and leave it for a while so that the skin can absorb it well, at least 2 to 3 minutes. See how well skin get hydrated. And next I am applying lip balm from Elle. I always apply a setting mist after my seating process to ensure everything is well set. So today I am using CS Essential Glow Fix Mist. Once the mist has dried well, you can proceed to use primer next. I am taking primer from ELF 1 to 2 pumps for my entire face and neck. Next, I will color correct with concealer from L'Oreal. Wherever I have dark spots or pigmentation, I'll apply concealer in those areas. For color correcting, you can choose a concealer 1 to 2 shades darker than your skin tone. Now I will blend it well using a damp beauty blender. Next, I am using foundation from ELF Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I'll apply on my face and then I will blend it with beauty blender. For contouring, I am using ELF Halo Glow Wand. I will apply it directly to my face, cheek, forehead, jawline, neck area, nose. Now I will blend it well with the help of beauty blender. Next I am using concealer from ELF. I will apply concealer to highlight under my eyes, bridge of nose, forehead, chin area, cupid, around my mouth area and below cheekbone. Now I will blend it with using a damp beauty blender. You need to apply very light pressure with your hand so that the underneath product don't move from their place. Next I'm using blush from ELF Halo Glow. I just stamp on my cheek, nose and chin. Now I will blend it well. Now that we have finished applying all the liquid product like foundation, blush, contour, I will let it dry for a while. I'm using a pan for this. You can let it dry without a pan too. Just leave it for 1 to 2 minutes. Next I'm using setting mist from CS Essential. I will also dry it well using the pan. Next I'm going to clean my eyebrows with spoolie. Now I am using Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. First I will clean my eyebrows again with spoolie and then I will shape my eyebrows nicely. It works really well and it looks very natural. Next, I will set my base with setting powder. I'm using e.l.f. setting powder. First, I will set my under eye area. Before setting my under eye, I make sure my powder puff and powder are completely ready. I'll take my powder puff and completely coat it with the powder. Now you can gonna take the puff and press it into your hand. After that, I'll use the beauty blender to blend my under eye. Once you are happy with the blending, I'm going to take my powder puff and set it right away. First, I will set my one eye and then I will set my other. If you apply this technique to set your under eye, you won't get creases. Now I'm going to set my full face with setting powder. Next, I'm using a bronzer from Revolution. For blush, I am using Europe Girl Blush palette. I am using two shades for blushing. Now I am using lip liner from PAC in the shade brown. For lipstick, I am going to use Forever 52 palette, and I will mix and match and apply lipstick. I am using highlighter from Europe Girl. It comes in 6 different highlighter shades in it. Now I am using concealer from Maybelline Eraser, apply on my eyelid, and then I am going to blend it well. After set with loose powder from e.l.f. For my eyeshadow, I am using Posh Showstopper palette. I am taking two shades, this brown and dark red. I'm going to show you very easy technique, especially for beginner. It takes only 5 minutes. I'm using eyelash curler for this technique. Place it on the crease and just stamp eyeshadow and blend with small blending brush. And for the sharp wing, I'm using same eyeshadow. Place it and blend. Yes. And for transition shade, I'm using lightest brown nude color. I'm using this pigment and I'm applying this pigment on my eyelid area. I'm using second pigment and apply on my lid. Now I'm using Maybelline Black Eye Pencil. Roughly I will apply lighter. Yes, I'm creating a rough liner. After that, I will apply brown shade eyeshadow and blend it with eyeliner. Next, I'm applying lightest pigment on my brow bone area with the help of brush. I'm using false eyelashes from Beautylicious and lash glue is from PAC. Now next I'm using mascara. I'm using white pencil in my waterline, and I'm using taking same brown shade which I have used for my crease line and blend it nicely. Now I'm using lip oil from Revolution. And final step, like I'm using setting spray from e.l.f. I hope you have learned from this video. So our makeup is done. Now I hope you liked it, and please subscribe for more such videos. Keep supporting and showing your love. Love you all. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.